Before you purchase a new window handle, you need to measure the spindle length of your existing handles. Remove the existing handle by removing the fixing screws with a screwdriver. One fixing screw may be hidden under the handle or trim, which may need to be rotated to access. Once the fixing screws are removed, return the handle to the stowed position, or make a mental note of the orientation the lever was in prior to removing. Lift off the handle. Place a tape measure or ruler against the spindle, pushing against the inside of the handle, and record the length. Once your new handle has arrived, fit the spindle and 2 screws into the 3 holes in the window, ensuring the handle is fitted in the same orientation as the other when it was removed. If the handle doesn't quite fit in, you may need to drill the screw holes in the window slightly to enlarge them. Make sure the handle will rotate to the fully open position and the fully closed position. In the stowed position, the handle should sit over the lock cylinder easily, and the lock should turn freely to lock and unlock. If the handle works correctly, tighten the screws and fit the supplied screw cap cover.